Today we are going to learn about lines and angles. Before going to this chapter, let us recall some basic terms and definitions. First, point. It is a fine dot. It is represented by a dot. Next, it is a ray. It is a part of line which has only one end point and has no end on the other side. Next, it is a part of line which has two endpoints. Okay. Next, line. When we join two distinct points, then we get a line. See, okay. The line has no endpoint. It can extend infinitively. See, this will go this side, this will go that side. Okay. Collinear and non-collinear points. Points lie on the same line are called collinear points, and the points they do not lie on the same line. These are all called non-collinear points. When two rays begin from the same endpoint, then they form an angle. The two rays are the arms of an angle. Okay, so this endpoint is the vertex of the angle. The vertex is the point where these two rays met. The arms are the sides of the angle. There are different types of angles are there. 0 degree angle. I told you there are the two arms. This is the one arm, this is the another arm. There are two arms are there. If the overlap in the same direction, they form a 0 degree angle. An angle that measures between 0 and 90 degrees is called acute angle. 0 and 90 degrees is called acute angle. An angle that is equal to 90 degrees is called right angle. Obtuse angle, the angle that measures 90 and 180 degrees is called. The angle that measures between 90 and 180 is called obtuse angle. Straight angle, the angle which exactly equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle, the angle greater than 180, lesser than 360, that is called reflex angle. A complete angle, that is which is exactly equal to 360 degree. Next, adjacent angle. If the two angles, this is one angle, this is another angle. Okay, if the two angle have the same vertex, this is a vertex, and there one of the arm is common, this is common arm. Okay, if the two angles, this one angle have the same vertex, and there one of the arm is common, this is called a adjacent angle. So angle A and angle B are adjacent angles. Okay. Next, complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles are those which have the sum of two angles as 90 degree. For example, here this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree. These two angles, when we are adding these two angles, we get 90 degree. This is a complementary angle. Supplementary angles are those which have the sum of two angles is 180 degree. For example, here 60 degree, here 120 degree. Next, coming to linear pair of angles. If two angles have the same vertex, okay, vertex and one common arm, but the arms which are not common, this is a non-common arms, are making a line, this is called a linear pair of angles. Once more I am telling you, if two angles, this is one angle, this is another angle, these two angles have the same vertex and this is a common arm. Common arm. These two are non-common arms. Okay, these non-common arms make a line. This is called linear pair of angles. Okay, next, intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. The lines, there are two lines, PQ and SR. Okay, the lines which cross each other from a particular point. Okay, that is called intersecting lines. The lines which cross each other from a particular point, that is called intersecting lines. The lines here, PQ the line, RS the line, these two lines are parallel lines. Okay, they never cross each other. Okay, these are all called parallel lines. Next, concurrent lines. Many lines passing through a point, that is called concurrent line. What is axiom 6.1? If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Understood? Anything, if your ray stands on a line, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So it must be, the adjacent angle must be 180 degree. Okay. Next, what is the axiom 2? If the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the arms which are not common, this is a common arm, this is a common arm, these two are non-common arms. These two are non-common arms. They form a line. They form a line. That is axiom 6.2. Okay. Vertically opposite angles. Theorem 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. For example, AC and BD are intersecting each other at a point 0. So, angle AOD and angle BOC are equal because there are vertically opposite angle. Likewise, angle AOB and angle DOC are vertically opposite angles. These are all also equal.